Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure farmers insurance policy change requests online, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure farmers insurance policy change requests online, begin by visiting the official farmers insurance website. On the home page, locate the login section. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up or register button to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy Management or Policy Changes section. From there, select the type of policy you would like to change. Review the options available for your selected policy. Click on the specific change you wish to request, such as updating coverage or changing your address. Fill out any required fields that appear on the change request form. Be sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. After filling in all necessary information, review your request once more. Click the Submit button to send your change request to Farmers Insurance. You should receive a confirmation notification on screen. Check your email for further confirmation and updates regarding your request. If there are any issues, you can contact customer support through their website. Remember, processing times may vary based on the request. Keep an eye on your account for any updates or required documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.